When powering up the CDI Suretest monitor, make sure it's plugged into a transducer, and make sure no torque instrument is on the transducer as well, because the system zero tears. So we're going to power up the system, and it's going to do a mini diagnostics, and it's going to zero tear all the transducers. Okay, as you see now, the 4-in-1 is now scrolling, so it's going to ask you to choose a transducer. In this case, we're going to choose the 80 to 1000 foot-pound. We're just going to put a tiny little torque. Okay, so what we want to do first is go back to the panel and press the F3 button. And first we want to select the mode, and when you're doing a click style torque instrument, you want to make sure it's in the 1-dot peak mode. Once you select that by pressing the up or down buttons, just press the enter button. So you are done with that. Now we're going to go ahead and hit the setup button again, and this is an option, but I find this most easiest and most time effective, is we're going to go to the auto settings, and I want to make sure it's in the auto clear mode. This will keep you from having to always hit the clear button. And we'll press enter. Okay, so we're going to place the torque instrument right on the loader. And we'll back that up a little bit. And we always want to apply torque at the center of the handle, as you see here. Okay, when we apply torque, now this is 15 foot-pound. You'll notice once the instrument reaches its clicking point, you may not hear the click, but it'll shade in. That tells you you've reached the first peak of the torque instrument. I can keep applying torque, but it will not register because it's already picked up the actuation in the instrument. Now I'm going to back the torque off all the way until this torque bar disappears, and once it disappears you can reapply by cranking the handle. I'll back it off again. So as you can see, it's picking up the torque instrument. So once it shades in, stop turning the hand crank.